Where the fuck did they take me to? God damn it. I, I guess I gotta follow them. Alright, roll the intro. Well, sometimes you gotta embrace nature. I don't know whose plan was that, but But again, I guess once in a while you gotta go outside and breathe in the fresh air and some shit. I don't know. Until then, just enjoy me not lifting this, but this.
I'm gonna use this as a straw. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's good. Just refill this with more broth. I'm gonna sip it. Sip it again. Oh yeah, that's happened. Oh yeah. Oh. Absolutely beautiful. Extra long one. Let me just. Oh, it just goes down my throat. Oh my god. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.